So hi folks, Shane here. With this lockdown I've been trying to think of things to do, and some of you may have seen my videos of the walk to the beach and everything else. Two of my main passions, apart from the wife and the family in life, are motorcycling and photography. So today I thought I'd show you how I do a panoramic. Now it's not the best of light today, it's quite hazy as you can see. But hopefully this will give you an idea if you want to shoot panoramic with a DSLR or any camera really. This is a way of doing it. So without further ado, let me introduce you to the kit I'm using. So today I'm using my Olympus OMD EM1 Mk2 with the 40-150 lens on. I've put a polarizer on the front to try and bring a bit of colour out and also to cut through the haze. So as you can see, I've got it mounted on the tripod for stability, and also so when you're doing the panoramic you can do it handheld, but it's a lot easier to stitch after you've done the shots in processing. If it's done on the tripod it's all going to be reasonably level, so to create that 6, 10, 12, how many ever images you want to shoot, to stitch it together with in a panoramic is going to be a lot easier once you've shot it on a tripod. Anyway, so without further ado, I've got it on, let's have a look. So I've got it on autofocus, and what I'm going to do now is just take a series of photographs. I've got it on 1 second delay, so there's no camera shake. Just measuring through so you're overlapping the photographs. And as I say, I'm just going to do a series of shots. We've got a train coming through, so I'm just going to wait for the train to go. Otherwise that will spoil the image, I think. Right, come on. There you go, the train's gone. So I'll just do a double one of that because I can't remember if I took it or not. Spin it round a bit more. So there you go. I think that was 6 or 7 images. Not sure, but we'll get it into Lightroom and go photo merge, and let's see how it comes out. So guys, here we are in Lightroom. I've imported all the photographs. There's actually 9 of them. So once you've selected them all or highlighted them all, select photo merge. Now this will bring this screen up and you wait for it to happen. This does take a fair bit of time, so we'll skip forward at this point. Click merge. Again, this takes a little time to put all the photographs together. So again, we'll skip forward. So as you can see, by putting on the tripod you get a nice clean edge. When you do it handheld, you have to crop into the photograph. So as you can see now, I'm just having a little tweak, cropping it in a little bit just to cut out some stuff I don't want. Just repositioning the picture for composition. Have a little play. I'll also just bring in a grad filter and change it also to landscape color. It just makes it pop a little bit more. So just bringing in the grad filter now, just dragging it down, and what I'm going to do here is just lower the exposure a little bit, just to give it a little bit more depth and contrast and color and all the rest of it. So there you go, almost there. yeah, I'm happy with that. So let's just press done, and boom. So that's made up of 9 images using the merge feature for panoramas. I hope this video has been of help. Any feedback would be great, and hey, take care and stay safe, and see you soon. Cheers now.